Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying jailbreak and exact iOS build so you avoid incompatible binaries. Once done, backup Filza's preferences, bookmarks, and /var/mobile documents to a safe location. You will restore them later. Next, obtain the correct Filza package for your system. Use Cilio, Zebra, or a signed IPA installer, and place the file where the device can access it. This prevents version conflicts and speeds the following steps. You now remove conflicts. Enter safe mode and uninstall tweaks that hook file managers, then delete residual Filza app files to avoid duplicate bundles. After reinstalling the correct Filza, repair permissions on /applications and the user directories with chown mobile and chmod 0755 where appropriate, because incorrect ownership breaks file access. Once permissions are set, clear caches, run uacache and clean dpkg cache. Then respring so the system recognizes the rebuilt app and permissions. You finish by restoring saved settings and confirming Filza opens and navigates core paths like /var, /private, and media. Test file operations, copy, move, delete, edit, and preview media to ensure stability. If any action fails, rerun permission fixes and verify dependency packages like curl or liblist are present. If problems persist, review the system log for errors and consider reinstalling crucial libraries or rolling back recent tweaks. This targeted rollback often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.